Record. Okay. Back to the project. What we did earlier on, we had an LED light. We put an LED light and we turn it on and off. What are we going to do now? We're going to add a potentiometer so that we can gradually adjust the light. Okay, so let's start with the pot. The first things that I didn't do earlier on, and I'm going to show you here now, is that we're going to put the 5-volt this pin here, and we're going to put the voltage on the positive railing. Okay, like that. So it goes from here to the positive railing. Okay, so now the positive railing has electricity going through. Now the potentiometer does not use digital, use analog. So unfortunately, this ESP8266 D1 Mini Pro only has one analog, which is A0. So we're going to put the yellow. If you look at the pot, the potentiometer, okay, you will have the black is ground, okay. Red is the VCC, which is the voltage, and the yellow one is the pin, which is going to go. Sorry guys, I got a bit of cold. Is going to go to to the A80, pin 80. There it is. You can see pin 80. And the rest is the positive, the red one to the red, and the ground to the ground, which is the blue one. And we will plug it in now. And let us see if we can control this now. Okay, this is the schematic. No, this is, yeah, it's a LED with a potentiometer. Okay, here we have a const. You remember we did the const LED pin D1. Now we do the pot pin AO. Then we do obviously the pin mode LED pin out. We've done that before. And we've added the integers, a pot value, which is the analog, obviously not digital now, need digital read and not analog read, as analog read was for the analog read was for the LED pot. Okay, so I think I got the right one. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to download the schematic and see how it's going to work. I will show you that what we've done here. It'll work. It will gradually adjust the LED light. Okay, there is obviously the LED, it's a little bit on, as you can see when you move it, when you move the pot. It will go all the way up and all the way down, but usually when you buy a pot, it's usually not calibrated. And sometimes they have like between 12 and 13 and 15 points different, which you have to subtract. You will have to have a minimum of, say, 15 and a maximum of 1023 or 1024, which is the full voltage. And if you go here, and if I change this one to calibrate it, I usually found that 15 it's balance itself. And now I'm going to reload it. And we'll probably found that the light is off now. There is a way of calibrate, which on the next lesson, I will show how to calibrate it. Okay, can you see the light is off now? It was about 15, 13, so it now goes on, all the way up, now all the way down. And now it's off actually, which is the way it's supposed to be. It has to be calibrated. Thank you, I'll stop this one now.